and Sayyid Khanullah, Advocate, Corporate Law, Peshawar High Court. In today's lecture, we are discussing the step-wise registration of a company with the Security and Exchange Commission of Pakistan with an online portal service. So there are very simple steps that are required to be followed. So first of all, log in to the e-services. The client will connect to the eservices.sep.gov.tk/e-services to log on to his/her account or sign up in case of a new user. The incorporation process, please note that you will need to create a separate user ID for all proposed subscribers in order to obtain their system generated PIN. After obtaining the name availability, and should use the manage company user button available on top right hand side of the web page to create a separate additional portal or user ID. Enter information. A successful login to the e-service by entering the user ID and the password will display a list of available and unavailable processes. If the company name has been reserved successfully, the company incorporation facility will be available at this stage. User will click on the company incorporation process. An input page is displayed whenever in the following information is entered by the user. Additional detail, click on the detail proposed by the company in terms of a complete name and kind to ensure the information correctly displayed. In case of any issue, please contact the concerned company registration office. Click on the mode of payment. In case, choose bank challan. Then click on the locate bank and select the designated bank branch available. Branches of MCB Limited or United Bank Limited. Declarant. In this section, enter the compulsory information about the declarant or compulsory representative. A declarant can be a person authorized to represent the proposed company by the owner or board of directors. Any employee or even a director of the proposed company could be chosen for this responsibility. The director or subscriber information, you can add and remove. Company information, you give the company information, registration office address where the office is located, sector classification, share capital object in this section. Sanctionary, the detail of the sanctionary in this section. Press continue link. Update form data or view form data or view company profile information or fill new attachment form. So in this link you can attach the required documents in the PDF format, a copy of the CNIC name availability letter. Press save button and after attaching the required information. Fill new attachment form, article of association which is required and we will discuss it later on. Fill the memorandum of association in the PDF format. We will discuss article and memorandum of association in the later classes. Fill new bank challan to give information about the fees required. The signature form or the sign form. Make a payment through challan. These information are required to be given. Payment through the credit card. You can pay through the credit card or through the banks. These are both the ways you can pay. After the incorporation, what are required? The directors of every company are required to appoint the first chief executive not later than in 15 days from the date of incorporation and thereafter within the 14 days after the date of election. The first editor is required to appoint by the directors within 60 days from the date of incorporation and thereafter each AGP in a company. A single member company is also required to appoint a company secretary within 15 days of the incorporation or of becoming a single member company or of the office of the secretary filing the vacant and notify such an appointment on Form 29 within the 14 days of the date of the appointment. Any appointment, election or change in the director, editor-in-chief required Form number 29. A company is required to notify the changes in the register office on Form 21. For example, if they wish to change anything with the board of directors or anything within 28 days on Form 28. After annual general meeting of the company is required to be held within 18 months from the date of the incorporation, and subsequent annual general meeting is required to be held once at least every calendar year. It is required. Annual return on prescribed Form A and B as applicable is required to be filed with the registrar concerned once in each year. In case of increase of paid-up capital, the company is required to offer new shares to the existing shareholders. In a public company, these are the required. Those are to be given according to the following steps. So for a foreign company, you can follow these ones. These are the rates of the stamp duty. Of stamp duty previously levied with the memorandum and article of association of the company has to be abolished by the provincial government. It is to remain applicant in the ICT only the rates which are 60 on the memorandum of association and 200 on the article of association. However, no stamp duty is required to be levied in case of the appointment application submitted through the e-service. These are the offices and the addresses, and you can contact them. So in Islamabad, State Life Building, 7 Blue area, these are the phone numbers. These are the local registration office in Lahore, Karachi, Lahore, Multan, Faisalabad, and in Peshawar. First floor State Life Building, Bimal, Peshawar, Kent, and these are. So you can go and register, and if you wish to get some of the information, you can collect the information from this zonal office. Similarly, in the Quetta, Sakkar, and Gilgit. So by this way, you can incorporate a company with the online e-portal or the offline. So you can go to the head offices or the branch offices in Peshawar if you wish. So this is the address. You can go and collect the information, and whatever are required, we have discussed this in today's lecture. By providing them, you can register a company. Thank you. I am Syed Irfanullah, Advocate Corporate Law at Peshawar High Court and a visiting lecturer at Frontier Law College, Peshawar.